Hey guys, wanna know how to start learning C, C++, Java or Python on Geeks4Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you some short explanation and guide on how to do it and how to join your courses. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, make sure you have Geeks4Geeks downloaded and logged in. If you don't know how to do so, we have created a video on it. Make sure to check it out. Now, once you're in the application right here, on the bottom you can see this explore icon. Just simply press on it. Now right here you can see the languages tab right here. Just simply press on it. Now see, here you can see C, C++, Java, Python and SQL. Just simply select any that you like. I just go for C++ and then let's go for basics first. Now there you have it. Now go back and you can also go for various topics like basics, C versus C++ and so much more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.